Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to manage your assets securely. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer your Stellar tokens from XMO to your Phantom wallet. This process is quick and secure, helping you move your funds to a more decentralized option for better control. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and Phantom wallet. If you haven't already, download the Phantom app or extension and create a wallet. It's user-friendly and essential for handling Stellar and other tokens. Step 1. Log into your XMO account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Balances section and find your Stellar tokens. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees. Next, open your Phantom wallet. Go to the Stellar section and generate or copy your wallet address. This is a long string of characters, so be careful when copying it to avoid any typos. Pro tip: always verify the address before proceeding to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Now, head back to XMO. In your Stellar wallet, look for the Withdraw or Send option. Paste the Phantom wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and select the Stellar network. It's usually XLM for Stellar. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and any fees. Once you're good, click confirm, and you'll get a transaction confirmation code. This might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Finally, once the transfer is complete, check your Phantom wallet to see your Stellar tokens arrive. If everything looks good, you're all set. If you run into any issues, reach out to XMO or Phantom support. And there you have it. Transferring Stellar from XMO to Phantom wallet is that simple. This step keeps your assets safer and more accessible. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure out there, and thanks for watching.